In the deepest parts of the ocean, light doesn't exist. And yet, something is glowing, not randomly, not harmlessly, but with purpose, because in this darkness, light is not beauty. It's a trap. And the strangest part is, these creatures don't use light to survive. They use it to hunt. At the surface, light is everywhere. The sun controls everything. But as we go deeper, that control disappears. Light fades until nothing remains. At a certain depth, sunlight can no longer reach. This is complete darkness, a place where no natural light exists. And yet, this is where glowing creatures begin to appear. So the question is, if there is no light, why create it? Some deep-sea creatures produce light through a chemical reaction inside their bodies. This process is called bioluminescence. It's efficient, cold, and almost invisible until it turns on. But this light is not for seeing. Some creatures use light like bait, a small glowing point, floating in complete darkness. It looks harmless, almost beautiful, but in reality, it's something else entirely. Because anything that moves toward that light doesn't come back. In the deep ocean, food is rare, so instead of chasing prey, creatures attract it. They let curiosity do the work. Imagine being in total darkness, and suddenly, you see light. Your instinct tells you to move closer, to investigate, to understand. And that instinct is exactly what kills you. Because in the deep sea, curiosity is dangerous. Some animals don't just glow, they control how they glow, turning light on and off, flashing patterns, creating signals, almost like communication, but not always for others of their kind. Sometimes, it's for their prey, which raises a strange question. Do these creatures understand how their light affects others? Not all light is used to attract. Some creatures use it to disappear. They produce light on their underside, matching the faint glow from above. So when predators look up, they see nothing. They hide by glowing. It's like becoming invisible by blending into the sky. Except here, the sky doesn't exist, only darkness. Some deep-sea creatures use light to communicate. Flashes, signals, patterns. But scientists still don't fully understand what these signals mean, or how complex they are. Because this might not just be simple signaling, it could be something more. At this point, light in the deep ocean is no longer just light. It is a weapon, a shield, a signal, a deception, which means the one thing we associate with safety, light, becomes something dangerous. We often think of light as something that reveals truth, something that helps us see. But in the deep ocean, light hides more than it shows. It attracts, deceives, and kills. And scientists still don't know how many creatures use it, or how advanced these systems really are.